Hello everybody, good to be back. We're now at chapter 8 of the series. Today, we'll be touching on a very important topic as well, similar to what we've covered in the last chapter, removing data duplicates. Today, we'll be touching on how to locate blanks and locate errors and as well fix them. Alright, this is a very important element as well within the whole troubleshooting process when you're working on a data spreadsheet. So before you prepare any kind of dashboards, any reports or analytics, you want to make sure that the data that you're looking at is clean. There is no duplicates. That's what we covered in the previous chapter. Today we make sure that we are able to identify blanks within the spreadsheet and learn how to fix them. So basically that's about it. Let's get started. Let me just open up my Excel. And we're looking at the same spreadsheet we were working on all this while. So let's say this spreadsheet is clean, okay, but how do I know that this spreadsheet is clean? First, you got to do a check and see if there is any blanks or if there are any errors. What we want to do is firstly select everything on the spreadsheet, go find and select, and then go to, and then special, and then blanks. Okay, no blank cells were found. Let's see if there are any errors as well. Let's go to again, special, and then under formula you want to see if there's any errors here. Okay, so there are no errors. All right, but what if there are errors or there are blanks? Okay, so let me just try to manually create some blanks. Let's say I just delete some stuff, delete some stuff around, and we know that there are all these plots within the spreadsheet are all blanks. Okay, so I want to be fixing all of them up. I'm just going to select all the data again, Control A on your keyboard, and then find, go to, special, blanks, and click OK. There you go. So basically Excel has identified for you all the blanks within your spreadsheet, and this can help you to sort of like fix it up if there are any issues with your spreadsheet. Okay, so we don't want to be working on a data set that has any blanks. So first thing first, check if there are any duplicates, check if there are any blanks, and next thing you want to check if there are any errors. Okay, so let me just undo all of them. Control Z for undo. In this case, the spreadsheet we're working on is clean, but let's say there are some form of errors. All right, so let me just work on a formula error to help simulate that environment. So we have got sales volumes here and we've got revenues here. All right, assuming the margin for revenue is 15% of sales volumes, and then we just bring it all down, we copy and paste that unanimously across. So that gives us a correct formula. But what if the formula has some kind of error? For instance, you multiply with a word, right? We obviously don't multiply with a word. So the moment you do that, there's going to be an error there where you see there is this hashtag sign with a value and an exclamation mark. So for sure, you know that that's an error. So what if we copy and paste it across some other cells? Then we know that, hey, this spreadsheet isn't very clean anymore, right? There's some errors here. So assuming you don't know about that and you're just glancing the spreadsheet on this view, it seems like, it seems all good. A sanity check would be to Control A, select everything, find, go to special, and then formulas, click errors. There you go. So basically Excel will help you identify all these errors and then you can troubleshoot and fix them up. Okay, so that's basically what you can do to make sure your data set is clean. Alright, okay, so keep in mind these few steps and I'll see you in the next chapter.